This cucumber recipe is something that you can make in 5 minutes, but it's so fresh, crispy, and delicious. Seriously, you're gonna make these just once, and then you're gonna end up making it again and again and again. Here are all of the ingredients that you'll be needing. If you do a lot of Asian style cooking, you'll probably have a lot of these ingredients in your pantry anyway. If not, you can substitute mirin for some sugar. Alright, let's get on to the video. Hi friends! I have been really struggling with my depression lately, so I haven't really been eating that great of food. Like, literally this week I've eaten probably, I wish this were an over-exaggeration, like 10 packs of instant noodles. So, I thought that I would go ahead and make one of my favorite depression meals, which are cucumbers. And you may ask, Sai, why are you putting on makeup if you're just gonna go make smashed cucumbers? To look nice for you, friends. Come on. So now that I look a little more put together, let's go make cucumbers. All right, let's head to my kitchen. I personally like to use either Persian cucumbers or Korean cucumbers. English cucumbers will not be good for this recipe. Here are our cukis. I was actually able to get all of these cucumbers for $3, which I think is super exciting. Look at our beautiful green boys. Make sure to wash them thoroughly. I already washed mine and dried mine. Save this container because we're gonna go ahead and put the smashed cucumbers back in here. I specifically love making this dish when I'm depressed because you can just have it for a couple of days. And it kind of makes me feel like the Adam Scott in Parks and Rec episode where he was really depressed and he was like, "Can a depressed person do this?" That's what I feel like.
Depressed? I'm the furthest thing from depressed. I mean, look at what I've accomplished. Do you see him? Do you think a depressed person could make this? No.
These cucumbers will be good for a couple days, so it's really great if you're either depressed or you're just not into cooking and you just want a ton of smashed cucumbers. And it's super easy. Like, you can literally get this done in like 5 minutes if you wanted. I know the cucumbers are kind of phallic, but there's also something about them that's just so incredibly beautiful. Is that just me? Am I just the only one who romanticizes cucumbers? First, I'm just quickly chopping off the tops of my cucumber. If yours don't have stems, feel free to not do this step. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that there's truly no wrong way to do it. You don't even have to necessarily smash them. I don't have a proper camera setup at all, so if you see weird angles, it's because I'm using things like this or this to prop up the camera and to show y'all how to smash these cucumbers. Here, I'm just showing you a couple different ways. One of the ways to do it is to just cut the cucumber in half, chop it up, and then smash them. You can also just chop your cucumber up into little cylindrical pieces without even smashing them at all. Or you can smash the cucumber and then cut them. Whatever floats your boat, it'll all be delicious, I promise. You may be wondering, why smash them at all? Traditionally, these cucumbers are meant to be smashed and then drained of their water. Ultimately, I just like to smash them for texture reasons. I think the texture is really delicious when they're smashed, but you totally can just skip this step. So now, you have your mountain of smashed cucumbers. The most important part by far, the sauce. My girl and I are probably gonna finish this all in like 2 or 3 days. I really, really love this recipe. This is very precarious, but this is how I will show you. Don't judge my filming situation, okay? Alright. This is all I have. This is very much a recipe that you just measure with your heart. There's really no wrong way to go. Just, I would say, start little and then add more as you go.
Alright, moving to the most important step, the sauce. First, we're starting out with a generous amount of gluten-free soy sauce. Next, we're adding a generous amount of mirin, which adds sweetness to the dish. If you don't have mirin, feel free to substitute with sugar. Next, we're adding white vinegar for acidity and black vinegar for some sweetness. Next, one of my favorite ingredients of all time, chili crisp. Chili crisp really isn't that spicy, but if you wanted to add a little extra kick, I'm adding a very generous amount of gochugaru, which are Korean red pepper flakes. And last but not least, sesame oil. Now, grab your cucumbers, snap that lid back on, and you're gonna shake. Shake, 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 shake. And then when you open it, you have the most addicting cucumbers that you'll ever have in your life.
So good. So incredibly good. Chef's kiss. And it took me like 10 minutes.
Feel free to pop your cucumbers in your fridge, and then you have a tasty treat for the next couple of days. Happy eating, friends, and don't forget to take care of yourselves.